Mr. Bill the teacher.
Today, Peppa and her friends are at playgroup. Mr. Bill is cutting the grass.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Madame Gazelle.
Today we are going to be learning all about... What is so funny?
Madame Gazelle, you made a squeak.
Oh, it is just a squeaky floorboard. I really should get it fixed. Hello? Oh, I completely forgot. I'll be right there. Children, I must go to the dentist. I will only be gone for a little while.
Who will be our teacher?
Oh,
Moo! I'll finish cutting the grass.
excellent. Mr. Bull, would you mind looking after the children while I go to the dentist? Thank you so much. Children, Mr. Bull will be your teacher. I will be back very soon. Be good.
We will.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mr. Bull.
Today I will teach you all about numbers.
We've already done numbers.
Have you? Can you tell me what number this is, then?
5.
Very good, Danny. Does anyone know any other numbers?
1, 6, 42.
Oh, you do know your numbers. Well, do you know the letters of the alphabet?
Yes. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. We know lots of letters.
So I see. Has Madame Gazelle taught you any nursery rhymes?
Mary had a little lamb.
Days of the week?
Friday.
Fruit and vegetables?
Carrot.
Gosh, Madame Gazelle has taught you everything. There's nothing left for me to do. What's that?
It's the squeaky floorboard. Madame Gazelle wants it fixed.
Does she now? Well, I've just thought of something I can teach you. How to fix a squeaky floorboard.
Hooray!
A couple of taps with this hammer will fix it. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Bull. How are you getting on?
Oh, very good. I'm just teaching the children how to fix things.
Ah, that sounds nice. I'll be back soon.
All right, bye-bye. That, children, is how you fix a squeaky floorboard.
It's still squeaking.
Stand back. I need to take a closer look. There we go. This was the squeaky floorboard.
But the floor is still squeaking.
Oh, it must be this floorboard. There we go.
It's still squeaking.
There's only one thing for it.
What's that?
We dig up the floor!
Hooray!
Hello, Mr. Bull. I am coming back now. Is everything okay?
Yes, it's all under control. See you soon. Stand back, children!
Mr. Bull is fixing the floor. Madame Gazelle is back from the dentist.
Ah! Mr. Bull, what are you doing to my school?
Mr. Bull is fixing the squeaky floor.
That's right! Look! No squeaks now!
That is because there is no floor now.
Oh, yes.
Put everything back how it was before, please.
Right you are!
Mr. Bull is good at digging holes and hopefully good at filling them in again.
Catch the ball, Peppa.